Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Frank Uwara and in this video I'll be showing you on how to add a favicon on your WordPress website. Now before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now and also click on the notification bell so that you won't miss important updates when I drop them. Now what is a favicon? According to Wikipedia, a favicon, also known as a shortcut icon, website icon, tab icon, URL icon, or bookmark icon, is a file containing one or more icons associated with a particular website or web page. So what favicon basically is a small icon that a website contains. So very quickly, I'll be showing you on how to add a favicon on your WordPress website. Okay, so you need to have a browser running. So on your Windows, you click on Chrome or any other browser that you are using. So I'm using Google Chrome. So on the browser URL, you search wordpress.com. Okay, so it took me to the dashboard directly because I already have an account. So for those of you that doesn't have an account, you need to sign up, or if you already have an account, you sign into your account. So on the dashboard, on the left-hand panel, you see some couple of libraries like My Home, Start, Upgrade, Mailbox, Post, Media Pages. So you head over to the settings. Once you hover on the settings, you see some other libraries like General, Writing, Discussion. So you head over to General. On the general, you will see manage your setting, including language, time zone. So in here, you can choose the language, your country, where you are from, if you want your website to be private or public. So, but for now, I'll be showing you how to change your site icon that if you don't have already. So from here, you say change site icon and you click on change, and under your images, you see list of medias you've uploaded on your WordPress website. So if you want to add a media, you can just click on add new. So it will take you directly to your file manager. But for me, I already have an site icon that I can use for my website. So I'll just cancel this. So let me say I want to use this image here. I'll click on it and I'll click continue. So you can see you can reduce it the way you want it, you can resize it. Let's say I want to leave it like this. Okay, so you can rotate, flip, whichever one you want or whichever way you want it. So I'll just stick with this because I prefer this. So you click on done. So as you can see, the site icon has been successfully inserted. So you can choose to save your settings, but it automatically save the settings. But to be sure, you can just click on save settings. Okay, that is it. So you can come here and you can see your site icon or favicon is visible and you can access your website directly. So let's access this website. So as you can see, this is my website and my favicon is showing here. If you look closely and clearly, you'll see the site favicon. So guys, so that is how you can add the favicon on your WordPress website. Please let me know if this video helped you and give it a like. Thank you for watching and have a great day.